Thank you for joining in on another episode of Beyond the Sex Talk. My name's Lisa. I'm a counselor as well as a sexual health educator. And my goal is to provide non-judgmental, sex-positive knowledge and skills so individuals can make healthy, confident sexual decisions. In this episode, I thought it would be best to give a tip out there for everybody heading back to school or heading back to a new job or their old job just in a new environment and new ways of things. Currently, I completely hear and understand many people have anxiety and worries, and there's so much going on right now that sometimes it's best to take a step back and see if we can at least alleviate some of the worries and concerns of those moments we have accidents. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about building an emergency kit. So one of my biggest activities that I really enjoy doing with young adults, and especially in elementary school, is building what I call an emergency kit. So what are emergency kits? Well, first of all, these are little kits that will have items in there for those little occasions where something spills, an accident happens, whether it's for your period or it is the odor, you get your feet wet, an accident happens and you have a discharge in your underwear. I have two of them. One, a very big one, a little mini one that I do carry in my car or I carry around in specific places. This big one is normally when students are coming at my door asking for help. So what's an emergency kit? Well, this is where you can have fun with your emergency kit and customize your emergency kit to what you need. A lot of times in my big bag here, I will have a little bag full of band-aids because I get asked all the time. Or if it's not band-aids, I get asked hair ties. I get also asked about pads, and sometimes I'll have pads or tampons for girls out there, female body people out there who have accidents and need assistance. Believe it or not, these are not easily accessible in schools. So please understand, an emergency kit is for you and your comfort, for you to not have to be anxious, embarrassed, but you have a solution ready at hand when you need it. A lot of times I do carry deodorant, and there's combs, I have nail files and bobby pins. I have things that normally you don't carry around, but it's in my bag, ready just in case. What I also provide in my school, another bag that I've also shared with colleagues, is a change of shorts or pants, a t-shirt. These are items that sometimes students will have an accident, whether it's their period or whether they're at gym class and something goes wrong and they need a change of clothes. I've had some students come in with soggy, wet feet and they need an extra pair of socks. I'm probably going to go to the dollar store and grab those items and refill this whole bag before I start work, just in case. That's all this is. Now, the nice part about this is sometimes it's not about your accidents. You could be someone's hero. So a lot of times, and I'm pulling out my small little bag here, I get asked, and Miss Perizolo, hand sanitizer, band-aids, and I'm helping other people. So your emergency kit cannot not only help you, but there are going to be people who are going to come to you asking, do you have something? And what a great feeling it is to go, you know what, I can help you, and you offer that. Now, a lot of these kits I bought at a dollar store or a thrift store. You can grab some of these items for really dirt cheap. If this is something that's really powerful and it's hard to access, I use pencil cases, small little bags. Try to look for your closest dollar stores and see what is available out there. Now, if you really like this tip and you have other extra tips, please send me a message. I'd love to hear what you have to say, as well as stay tuned for next episode where I'm going to talk about more knowledge and skills and tips like this. Have a great summer. It's close to the end. If you're heading back to work and school, take the time to build an emergency kit. Until next time, this is Lisa on Beyond the Sex Talk. Cheers.